happy people, I'm back with another video and welcome to day 5 of my 12 days of Swatchmas. And in this series I'm going to be swatching out all of the gel polishes and acrylics that I have in my entire collection. I do have a dedicated playlist for this series and I'll link it down in the description box below. I hope you all are enjoying the series so far. And today I'm going to be reviewing 2 more of my 6-piece Beetles gel polish kits. I told you guys I have over 100 polishes, so I do have quite a few Beetles swatches to show you all, but it's going to be 2 of their 6-piece kits. One is going to be a beautiful jelly glitter collection, and the other one's going to be a Christmas/New Year's collection. So sit back, relax, and stay tuned to day 5 of my 12 days of Swatchmas. I'm back with I don't even remember which part it is now, but I am still swatching my Beetles collections, and I have 2 more collections that I want to share with you guys. So I do have 2 more of their 6-piece gel polish kits. These have been some of my favorite ones to buy from Beetles. So let's just hop into it and see what colors we have on these particular kits. Okay, so I believe this one is actually their jelly collection. And so yeah, it comes with 6 different jelly colors. I forgot to show you guys, obviously here's the application guide. Go through, read it, so you guys know how to apply the gel polish properly. But yeah, let's go ahead and take these out and take a quick look here. Okay, so these are the colors that come in this particular collection. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys up closest. 817. Ooh, this is a really beautiful light blue jelly glitter. 818. This is a really beautiful, kind of like a lime green jelly glitter. 819. And this is a really beautiful light pink jelly glitter. 820. This is absolutely gorgeous. This here is a kind of like a neon yellow jelly glitter. Such a pretty collection. 821. This here is a really pretty peachy jelly glitter. I believe I've actually used this as a topper over another gel polish, but this is really, really pretty. And then 822, which is this gorgeous glitter, which is this gorgeous light purple jelly glitter. I like that their jelly glitters have those fine glitters in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these swatched out. 817. I mean, these are pretty sheer as they're supposed to be because these are glitter polishes, jelly glitters, but it applies very smoothly. I like the fact that they're fine glitters because they lay really nice and flat. But yeah, this here is that jelly blue. 818. That's nice. It just gives just a hint of color, and with these jelly colors you can always build them up. 819. Really pretty, nice light pink here. Very, very pretty. Super cute. 820. Yeah, that's really nice. 821. I love this peachy color. It's probably my favorite out of the collection. It's really nice. You guys will see that it'll get more opaque when I go in with the second coat. 822. Very pretty. Alrighty, so this here is the second collection 6-piece gel polish kit. Okay, again, it comes with the instructions, so make sure you guys go through and read that. And these are the colors of this particular collection. So I believe I got these around like Christmas/New Year's, and so I thought these colors would be really cool to do like a New Year's set with them. I think I did end up using this gold in a New Year's set. I'm gonna leave it over here in the corner so you guys can see, but it's a really beautiful gold. But yeah, let's go through and get all of these swatched out. Again, the Beetles polishes, they do come in the 7.3 ml bottles. And yeah, these polishes are really, really good. A207. Ooh, this here is a really beautiful gold glitter. I have a couple of gold glitters from Beetles, and I must say all of them are very, very beautiful. So this here is another one. I think the other one I have from Beetles, it has fine gold. It has fine silver. I think the other one I have from Beetles has fine silver glitters in it, and I think this one has very, very fine hollow glitters in it. A208. Ooh, now this is a silver. This is a really, really nice silver. I like how jam-packed it is with those silver glitters. This is really nice. I feel like this would be great to do some nail art with. A209. Ooh, look at that. Oh, I love this color. It's so, there's like a lot of depth to this color. So it's kind of like a teal, like a really deep teal turquoise, bluish green color. I absolutely love the glitters that are in here. This is a really, really gorgeous glitter. Wow. A210. Ooh, this here is a really nice pearly white color with a silver shift to it. A211. Oh, look at this. This is a really nice Christmas red, right? Oh, wow. I love this. This is really gorgeous. A212. Ooh. This here is another really beautiful blue color. Absolutely love it. Okay, so let's go ahead and get these colors swatched out. A207. So this one is a little bit sheer, so you'll definitely have to go in with 2 coats of coverage to build up the opacity. But very, very beautiful. A208. That's a pretty silver. I like this silver a lot. This one is jam-packed with the silver glitter, and they're really fine. So, I mean, you could kind of get away almost with 1 coat of coverage, but this is really nice coverage for a silver. A209. This color is fun. I love this. I love the depth that is to this color. I don't even have a color like this in my collection. This is really pretty. It's a little bit jelly on the first swatch here, so you'll definitely want to go through and do 2 coats of coverage for this, but really gorgeous. A210. Oh, that's nice. This is a really beautiful pearly white color. Look at that. Absolutely gorge. Love it. It's beautiful. A211. Okay, that's a really beautiful red. So I honestly thought it was a red with a red base, but this is actually a red with a clear base. So this is interesting. I feel like there'd be a time and place for it. Don't know when, but I do like this. That means you can put some colors underneath this and create some cool overlays with this red. I like it. See how it's a clear base? Yeah, that's pretty cool. Go ahead and fill that back in there. Okay. A212. Ooh, that's fun. This is a really nice color too. I like this blue. For some reason, this is giving me like 4th of July vibes. Like that blue and our flag. That's really pretty. It's also a little bit sheer, so I'm gonna have to go in with 2 coats of coverage. Very nice. Alrighty, so this is what the Beetles Jelly collection looks like. These are some really nice, beautiful spring jelly colors. So the first one here is 817, and it's a really pretty light blue color. And again, these are meant to be translucent and transparent. These could be used as toppers as well as just, you know, a really nice set of jelly nails. So this is a really beautiful blue. 818, which is this really beautiful lime green jelly glitter. 819, which is this really pretty pink jelly glitter. That's just so cute. I love that. 820, which is this really pretty yellow jelly glitter. Yeah, that's really cute. These would be really great for the spring, summertime. 821, which is a really beautiful peach jelly glitter. 822, which is a really beautiful light purple jelly glitter color. Loving these. So I think this collection is absolutely stunning. I'm curious to see if this might be reflective as well. And it doesn't appear to be. It's just a really beautiful glitter. Okay, I got a flashlight here on it. No reflect, but just really beautiful glitter. I'm gonna show you guys the next collection I swatched out here. Alrighty, so this is the second collection that I swatched out here. This is really giving me holiday vibes, like Christmas, 4th of July, New Year's. Like, this is a really good set. I feel like a staple set to have. But this here is the first color here, A207, which is a really beautiful gold. I did find that this gold is still a little bit translucent. I did go in with 3 coats of this polish. So if you want to build up the opacity, you'd have to maybe apply a few more coats, but it's still really pretty as is. A208, and this is quite the opposite of that first glitter. This one is really opaque and it packs a good punch. It was pretty opaque on the first coat, and then with 2 coats of polish, it was really opaque. This is a really gorgeous fine silver glitter. Love this color. It almost kind of looks like a metallic color because the glitters are so finely packed in here. This is a really beautiful color. A209, which is this really gorgeous deep teal color. I love the glitters in this, and I love that deep base. Very beautiful. A210, which is a really beautiful gorgeous pearly white. A211, which is this really beautiful red glitter. This one's a little bit different. I like that it has a clear base to it, so you can kind of play around with some different looks with this. It's be cute for Valentine's Day, Christmas. And last but not least is this really beautiful blue. This is a really nice royal blue glitter, and it's A212. Alrighty, so yeah, that's what these 2 collections are looking like. I am a huge fan of Beetles gel polishes. I think that this jelly collection is really perfect for like the spring and summertime. Like the versatility of them, you can use them as toppers or you can use them on their own. And then this collection here, I think is a really good staple to have as well, because it just it's something that you can use for a variety of different holidays. You can do some Valentine's Day nails with these. You could do Christmas nails with these, New Year's nails, 4th of July nails. So I thought this was a really cool kit to have. I think I bought it around the new year when I first bought it. When I initially purchased it, I think I purchased it around the new year. But yeah, both of these collections are absolutely beautiful. Beetles polishes, I tell you, they never disappoint for me. So yeah, I mean, there were a few colors in this collection that you had to do 3 coats of. That's not common for Beetles polishes. Just so happened to be a few in here that were. But yeah, Beetles gel polishes, they never disappoint. I absolutely love them. Yeah, stay tuned for the next part to my Beetles swatching party. I have, I think, 2 more gel polish kits to swatch out for you guys, and then hopefully I'll be done with my collection. I think I've done about 8 or maybe even 10 of their 6-piece collections. So if you all have not checked out those previous videos, I'll leave a link down in the description box below, as well as my Beetles playlist that shows all Beetles products that I've reviewed, swatched, and or tested on my channel. But yeah, let me know what your favorite color is from these collections. I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye!